We're just having fun. And hi. Yes, hi. Thank you. My name is Sam Goodwin. Thank you for joining us today with Hocoa, your home repair network, San Diego's #1 live and local home repair network. And today we have a special guest, Danny Perez with CAT-5 audio, home and video. He's an expert in the home and video surveillance, audio, anything to do with home and audio, video, and business. This is the expert. And so, Danny, thanks for coming on today. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
And can you tell us a little bit about how you got into the audio-visual space, workspace?
So, to be honest, it was kind of I was actually in the low voltage industry as it was, doing commercial phone data.
Oh, wow.
So, big research centers.
Oh, yeah.
And when the economy went down, commercial-wise, I hopped into the residential side, which happened to be the home audio video.
Okay.
So the whole home control system.
Yeah, and so that's like the TVs and the stereos, the man caves, that kind of stuff, speakers.
Yep.
That's where you jumped in. What was like one of your first jobs that you did? Do you remember?
One of my first jobs was retroing speaker lines through a home, which was a little different than doing commercial new construction.
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
Being careful about running through any pipes or any electrical lines.
That's why it's always smart to hire the professional.
Yeah.
And not, myself or somebody else just going on knocking a hammer on something, and next thing you get start a leak or something.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay, cool. And what kind of like home automation stuff, or let's say, what's some of the smaller stuff that you do?
Basic TV wall mounting.
Okay, so you do TV wall mounting. Hey, I got a new flat screen TV, 50-inch. I need somebody to do it right. That's where somebody comes to you.
Exactly. Or if you're even looking for a TV, I'm a dealer for most brands.
Oh, no kidding.
As Samsung, Toshiba, LG.
Wow. So great. So I can just buy my TV through you.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, awesome.
You don't even have to drive out to the store.
I love that, man. That's pretty cool. Now, what is the #1 thing that you're getting requests for these days?
Surveillance systems.
Surveillance systems?
Yep.
Wow. Really? So, I mean, because of all the thefts and packages being stolen and then break-ins.
Exactly.
So can I just go to Costco and buy some cameras and throw them on, or should I go through somebody like you?
Definitely go through someone like me.
Okay.
Reason being, Costco sells consumer grade products. We sell what Costco has installed in their buildings, watching you.
No kidding.
So yeah.
Wow. And then you have that all linked to where it's to your smartphone?
Exactly.
That's
Get
pretty
you all
awesome.
hooked up to where you're watching it from your cell phone, or you're out on a business trip and you're working on your laptop. You click in, make sure everything's good at home or at your business.
And then it notifies you. There's probably some kind of motion sensor detection. It automatically pops up.
Yes. We set the systems up to do that. So.
That's pretty cool. Now, we talked a little bit about home automation. I mean, home theater systems, everybody knows that. And I think we have some before and after pictures of a home theater system that you put together, a simple one, where it's just like you said, hanging the TV, but then also somebody had an old style kind of stereo system that they didn't want to.
Old M&S system, which is a stereo system / intercom system. So we just worked on that, which is replacing an old tape player intercom system to a fresh AM FM Bluetooth auxiliary station. So really big difference on the look and on the actual sound performance of it. So
that is pretty cool. Now, what about full home automation? I mean, controlling. I think you mentioned to me earlier that you're a Nest dealer. So if I want to control my heating and AC from my phone,
correct.
I can do that.
I can integrate that all into our platforms that we build off of RTI core products. So RTI is a big home control, home automation company, manufacturer that we are dealers to.
Wow.
And it's nothing like can't even think Logitech or any of those companies. That actually I've got a picture or I've got a remote at home right now that from one of my clients that got so frustrated at their Logitech remote that he snapped it in half. He snapped it in half. But it's, you know, we could either get you hooked up with a remote that goes, you know, that shows you a plot of your home and then goes room by room, or we could actually integrate it into an iPad or your iPhone or your Android. Kidding. So
and that could do everything. That could take care of my heated air, take care of my garage door.
Correct.
Could take care of my heating and cooling. What about if I had a robot lawnmower?
Yeah, we could do that too.
If you have the right amount of money, right? Yeah. It's but there are robot lawnmowers out there, so if you don't want to mow your lawn, you could hook them up with that. That's pretty awesome, man. That's pretty awesome. Now, but you also work with businesses too, so that's the other thing I forgot to mention or talk to you about is you do like networking for. I mean, that's where you
network wiring. Set up their IT rooms. So you know. Surveillance systems also. So
that's a
really
big
important.
one. Yeah, I mean you don't do a security system like ADT, but you do everything else.
Yeah, surveillance. So I don't do monitoring. So
right.
Which we will leave that to the monitoring companies to take care of. So
and we got guys for that, but that's so cool that you do everything else, and it's not just residential. But if you're a business owner as well, or you know you're an office manager for a park. You know, you got a local guy here that can do that too. That's so awesome.
Yeah, along with being a dealer for a IP phone system.
Yeah,
so
that's so cool. So I can get my TVs, my phones, my surveillance system, my whole control system from you, and you can install it too.
Yep.
That's pretty cool. Well, Danny, thank you so much for coming on today. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please comment below. Or if you want, call Danny directly or email Danny. What's the best phone number to reach you at?
760-310-6528.
And what's a good email address for you?
Danny at CAT-5 audio video, and that's CAT, the number 5.
Number 5.
Audiovideo.com.
Awesome. So. Well, thank you so much for coming on today. I appreciate it, man. Hope to hear from you soon. If you need any audio visual stuff, security cameras, talk to Danny. Thank you so much.